Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to customize your Android device's home screen, in today's video, we are going to provide you a step-by-step guide for very simple customizations. So let's just dive right in and get started. So customizing your Android home screen involves changing the wallpaper, adding functional widgets, arranging applications in folder, etc. So you can just go over and follow up these methods for that. If you want to change your wallpaper, you can long press on an empty spot on your home screen and select the option for wallpaper and style from there. After you select that option right there you will be finding option for my wallpapers, gallery, etc. So you can tap on one and you just need to select up a specific wallpaper that you would like to add. So you can just go over and choose from the pre-installed options or use your own photos and then set it as the home or the lock screen. So for example, if I would like to, use the downloaded ones, or let's say this featured one, this one right here. So once you select it, you can select up the option of setting it as home screen, or lock screen and home screen. And once you do so, you can adjust it and you can match the system elements with your wallpaper by selecting this option of color palette. So when you tap on this color palette option, it will give you option to choose of a color palette for your, you know, for your application icons, etc., or the interface within itself. So if I would like to apply this pink and blue one, I'm just gonna select this right here. And after that is done, you can even select this option of applying the palette to application icon and turn it on. And if you do, you will be finding the specific changes. Once it is done, just go up and tap on the supply option and it will match the system elements and that will do it. If you want to add or remove applications and folders, what you need to do is you can basically swipe up from the app drawer and then you can drag the application to the home screen. For example, if I would like to drag this CapCut, you can hold it up and go to this add to home option. And when you do, you will be finding the application on your home screen. Like this right here, you can drag the application from the home screen into a folder or organize it wherever you want. And if you would like to add widget, you need to hold the home screen. And once you hold the home screen, look out for widgets and tap on it. And within widgets, you can look out for a specific widget that you would like. For example, if I would like, let's say this suggested files from my drive, you just need to hold the particular widget and place it in an empty space of your home screen. And once you do, you will be finding the widget available on your screen. You just need to select the particular widget and place it on your screen and drag it to your screen and resize it by dragging the dots or its outline. If you want to look out for advanced customization, there are different third-party applications available. You can look out for Nova Launcher or any kind of custom launcher and, download icon packs and apply them for a uniform look. You can even customize your app shortcuts, etc., and place it. So that's it, everybody. This is a simple tutorial if you'd like to customize your Android home screen. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.